If you've ever failed an NSE 7 exam, it probably wasn't because you didn't study. It's because you studied the wrong way. Most candidates memorize definitions. Real NSE 7 exams don't test definitions, they test decisions. Multi-layered, real-world, enterprise-scale decisions. Fortinet NSE 7 isn't just another certification badge. It's the credential that tells the industry, this engineer can architect, secure, and troubleshoot enterprise networks under real pressure. Companies running FortiGate at scale, banks, hospitals, global retailers, they don't hire people who memorized flashcards. They hire people who understand why a session pickup fails during HA failover, why an AD VPN shortcut silently breaks across multiple hubs, why a SAML login won't seamlessly chain into Radius 2FA. That's the level NSE 7 tests you at. And that's the level this book trains you at. Most study guides give you a question, 4 options, and 1 bolded correct answer. That's it. They don't tell you why the other 3 answers are traps. They don't teach you the packet flow. They don't teach you to think like an architect. And on exam day, when the question is 3 layers deep, that gap shows up. Fast. This is Fortinet NSE 7, Secure Networking Architect, a 49-chapter, 600-plus question practice guide built the way the real exam is built. Scenario first, architecture first. Every single question comes with a full explanation, not just what's correct, but exactly why the other 3 options are real-world misconfigurations or anti-patterns. We call it wrong answer analysis, and it's the fastest way to train your instincts for exam day. You'll go through FortiGate architecture, SD-WAN, IPsec and SSL VPN, FGCP and FGSP High Availability, FSSO, SAML, Radius, ZTNA identity integration, threat protection, and 5 full integrated practice exams that combine every one of these technologies, exactly the way real NSE 7 scenarios do. And when exam day gets close, you're not starting over. This book includes a complete final review section, rapid revision notes, the top 300 exam facts, the top 250 common mistakes engineers actually make, memory tricks, architecture mind maps, and a night-before checklist. Everything you need, in one place, structured for retention, not just reading, written by a senior Fortinet NSE 7 exam architect with real hands-on experience designing HA clusters, SD-WAN fabrics, and identity-integrated VPN architectures. Not recycled question banks copied from forums. If you're serious about passing NSE 7, not just attempting it, this is the guide that closes the gap between knowing Fortinet and architecting Fortinet. 600-plus questions. Full explanations. Real exam pressure. Scroll up, click Buy Now, and start training like an architect, not a test taker.